Sports medicine is something that we treat here at Warner Orthopedics as sort of a general category for conditions in the body related to activity. So this can be anything from an ankle sprain to a fracture from being tackled too hard in football. We treat all types of different sports injuries here. Our primary focus is probably ankle sprains and ankle and Achilles tendon injuries, but we treat a variety of lower back pain, lower back injuries, ligament tears, things like shoulder strain, rotator cuff tears, scapula strain, muscle strain in the back, trigger points. All of this comes from overuse or contact. So for instance, we'll treat a lot of stress fractures. That's an overuse injury whereby you get a small hairline crack in a bone from overrunning. For instance, marathon trainers or people training for marathons, we see this often in them. A lot of times it's in the foot or the ankle or the knee right below the knee joint. Those are the most common locations. We'll actually occasionally see a hip stress fracture in some runners, and these have to be treated a variety of different ways. Typically you have to rest for a while and then you rehab it and then get back to activity. Some other sports injuries that are common, obviously muscle tears. We see muscle tears a lot, and muscle tears follow a very specific pattern. You tear the muscle, it doesn't really hurt till 2 or 3 days later, and then you have to do a certain amount of ice, a certain amount of heat, a certain amount of deep tissue massage. Sometimes you need to do dry needling to treat the muscle tear, and then you have to rehab it with the appropriate activity to get the muscle back to the strength and endurance that it was before. So sports medicine is sort of all encompassing of anything that can happen to the body while being active. I don't want to limit it to just the people that are actually on the field. Sports medicine involves 60-year-old people playing tennis to 4-year-old kids dancing. Anything that involves activity in the human body that causes an injury or pain is sports medicine, and we treat a variety of these conditions here at Warner Orthopedics.